Hello children, how are you? I hope you all are fine and safe. Glad to meet you once again through this online class. Are you happy for about it? Okay, very good. Did you complete your yesterday homework? Open your mouth and say no. Yes, okay, very good. Do your homework yourself and do it properly. Okay, Mama? Very good. In the previous class we have studied circle the same number, circle the numerals and some match. Yes or no, ma? Yes or no? Yes, okay. In this class we have to study the T and T numbers. Okay. W R I T E, right? T H E D T Y and T double E N, teen. Numbers. Write the T and T numbers. Okay, Mama. Write the T and T numbers. Okay. If the number name is ending with TY, it is called T numbers. Okay. The numbers, the wording is ending with teen, it is called teen numbers. Okay, Mama. Now listen. 11. 11 is 11. 11 it is. Is this ending with T? No. Okay. First we have to write the teen numbers. Okay. T double E N, teen. NUMBERS, numbers, teen numbers. Okay. 11. Then 12 also. It doesn't have teen. Yes. Then 13. Next 14. Then 15. 16. 17. 18 and 19. Okay, Mama. The numbers ending with teen, it is called teen numbers. Okay. Shall we write the spelling? Shall we write the spelling? Open your mouth and say the spelling. THIR TEEN, 13. FOUR TEEN, 14. FIF TEEN, 15. SIX TEEN, 16. SEVEN TEEN, 17. EIGH TEEN, 18. Then NINE TEEN, 19. Okay, Mama. This numbers is called teen numbers. Okay, this number is called teen numbers. Okay, write the teen numbers means you have to write from 13 up to 19. From 13 up to 19 numbers, it is called teen numbers. Okay, Mama? Now listen. 13. THIRTEEN. 13. This 13 wording is ending with teen. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Teen mudida. So this is called teen numbers. Okay. Then 14. FOURTEEN. 14. 15. FIFTEEN. 15. 16. SIXTEEN. 16. 17. SEVENTEEN. 17. 18. EIGHTEEN. 18. 19. NINETEEN. 19. This is called teen numbers. Okay, Mama? Now all of you open your maths note. Take new page and write class work. Take new page and write class work. CW means class work. Write today's day and date. Okay, near you should write today's day and date. Write the T and teen numbers. First, we have studied the teen numbers. Okay, Mama? Say and write. WRITE, write. THED, TYT, AND and TEEN, teen. NUM, BERS, numbers. Write the T and teen numbers. Teen numbers. TEEN, teen. NUM, BERS, numbers. Teen numbers. First one, 13. THIRTEEN, 13. 14. FOURTEEN, 14. 15. FIFTEEN, 15. 16. SIXTEEN, 16. 17. SEVENTEEN, 17. EIGHTEEN, 18. 19. NINETEEN, 19. All of you have written, ma? Okay, very good. Now listen, close your note. Listen. Listen, don't write, okay? T-Y. T numbers. N-U-M-B-E-R-S. Numbers. T numbers. Listen, don't write, okay, mama? T numbers is 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80 and 90. Okay, mama? 20 to 90. It is called T numbers. Okay, shall we write the spelling? Okay, TWENTY, 20. 30, THIRTY, 30. FORTY, 40. FIFTY, 50. SIXTY, 60. SEVENTY, 70. EIGHTY, 80. NINETY, 90. All of you listen. T numbers. Okay, mama? 20, from 20 to 90. It is called T numbers because the spelling, see the spelling for the given number 20 means TWENTY. It is ending with TY. Is that no? This one is ending with TY. Okay. So, this is called T numbers. Okay, mama? 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Yes, this numbers ending with TY. So, this is called T numbers. Okay, mama? Don't forget. Shall we read it together? Okay, 20. TWENTY, 20. 30. THIRTY, 30. 40. FORTY, 40. 50. FIFTY, 50. 60. SIXTY, 60. 70. SEVENTY, 70. 80. EIGHTY, 80. 90. NINETY, 90. Okay, mama? Do you understand? Okay. Take new page and write. Take new page and write. Okay, mama? Open your mouth, say and write. Take new page and write. I am waiting for you. Write neatly. Okay? All of you write neatly. All of you have written? All of you have written, children? Okay, very good. Next. All of you listen. Don't write MISSING, missing. LETTERS, missing letters. Okay, Mama? Missing letters. THITE, missing letters. Okay. This is missing letters. Okay, Mama? This one is missing letters. All of you listen. Don't write. All of you listen. Don't write. Okay? Missing letters. The first one, 13. All of you open your mouth and say the spelling for 13. All of you open your mouth and say the spelling for 13. THIRTEEN, 13. Is that no, ma? Is that no? Yes. Which letter is missing here? THIRTEEN, 13. Is that no? Yes. Now the 13 spelling is correct or wrong? THIRTEEN, 13. Is it correct or wrong? Correct. Okay, then see the next one. What is this number? What is this number? 39. Okay, Mama, what is this number? 39. Okay, say the spelling for 39. THIRTY, 9. 39. Okay, so now see it here. THIRTY, 30. NINE, 9. 39. Is it correct? Is it correct? Yes, very good. Then see the next one, 40. What is this number? What is this number? 40. Open your mouth and say the spelling for 40. FORTY, 40. Okay, FORTY, 40. Now which letter is missing here? Which letter is missing here? R. Okay, so you take and write R. FORTY, 40. Very good. Then what is this number? What is this number? 88. Okay, Mama, what is this number? 88. Write the spelling for 88. EIGH 80. EIGHT 88. Okay, Mama, all of you open your mouth and say the spelling for 88. EIGHTY 80. EIGHT 8. 88. Okay, then what is this number? 100. Okay, Mama, then what is this number? 100. Open your mouth and say the spelling for 100. ONE 1 HUNDRED 100. 100. Okay, now you write here ONE 1. Say the spelling for 100. HUNDRED 100. Okay, Mama, 100. 100 spelling is correct or wrong? ONE 1 HUNDRED. Is it correct? Okay, then see the next one, 72. What is this number? What is this number? 72. Okay, open your mouth and say the spelling for 72. SEVENTY 70. TWO 2. 72. Okay, Mama. So open your mouth and say the spelling for 72. SEVENTY 70. TWO 2. 72. Okay. Then last one. What is this number? 96. What is this number? 96. Okay. Say spelling for 96. NINETY 90. SIX 96. Okay, Mama. NINETY 90. SIX 96. Is it correct or wrong? Correct. Okay. Now all of you open your maths note. All of you open your maths note. Take new page and write this one. Open your maths note. Take new page and write this one. Say and write, okay? MISSING missing. LETTERS letters. Missing letters. First one, 13. THIR TEEN 13. $39. THIR TY 30. NINE 9. 39. 40. FORTY 40. 88. EIGHTY 80. EIGHT 8. 88. 100. 100. ONE 1 HUNDRED 100. 100. 72. 72. SEVENTY 70. TWO 72. 96. NINETY 90. SIX 96. All of you have written, children? All of you have you written? Okay. Take the next page and write today's homework. WRITE, right? T and T numbers. WRITE, right? TYT and teen numbers. Okay, teen numbers you write here, T numbers you write here. Okay, that same page. Put one small line. Okay, take one scale and put one small line. Here you should write T numbers, then T numbers. Okay, Mama, teen and T numbers. Then take next page and write. Take next page and write WRITE. Write the number name. NUMBER, number. NAMES. Write the numbers name 1 to 25. 1 ONE 1, 2 TWO 2, 3 THREE 3. That method you should write. Okay, Mama, write the number name 1 to 25. This one you take new page and write. This is today's homework. Beside you should write today's day and date. Okay, don't forget T and T numbers. Then this one you take new page and write. Write the number names 1 to 25. Okay, do you understand? Okay, next one we will see the next class. Okay, take care, children. Bye.